Good morning, friends. So, I got a slight problem with the Explorer. My wife called me yesterday and said she couldn't turn, but something's going on with this wheel, so I'm gonna rip it off and see what's going on with it and figure out how to fix it. Alright, let's get to it.
The wheel was locking up because the car thought the other side's wheel was spinning too fast. So if you have this problem, go ahead and look at the other side's wheel and see if the ABS thinks that one's spinning too fast. You're going to want to make sure that the sensor on the other side is perfectly intact and no damages to it. So that was my problem.
Alright, let's get this tire off the ground. Don't forget your chalk.
You're going to be best off by checking both wheels when you're checking this out.
Don't forget a jack stand either. Otherwise you're just going to put yourself in a bad position. I'll leave both in there. Just because. So this is a 2008 Ford Explorer. We're almost at 200,000 miles on it. It's got a few issues, but nothing major. Like the back windshield wiper isn't working. Hasn't really worked right since we bought it. But that's okay. We bought this. Oh man. We bought this thing a long time ago. And I think we've had it for 5 years now. No real major problems. First major problem. Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna start pulling stuff off. Kinda hoping to see the problem. Make it easy peasy. But no such luck. Hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the stuff we do here on CFF. We like to fix our own stuff. Alright, I'm gonna pull this part off. Get the rotor off. Alright, there's our problem. The bearing went out.
So what I had found was that the bearing went out on both sides.
1.5 inches, way too big. See if I can find my smaller set.
And the ABS locking up because of bearing going out on the opposite side. So I had to replace both bearings. Took the hub assembly off on both sides. But yeah, so the sensor was out on the bearing on the opposite side. So bad that the car thought it was going too fast on one side, so it was locking up the other side. Now they make a tool to pull the hub assembly off. You gotta rent it from AutoZone. It's $400 and something just to rent it. I actually did for the other side, and I feel like it was well worth it. You will get all that money back. That's just basically the cost of the tool, and then when you're done with it, AutoZone refunds you everything that
Okay. So I gotta disconnect the ABS. Find the right one. There it is. Okay, so this is the connection. So that's my ABS connection right here. That's all you gotta do, just unplug it and pull it back through. There it is. Alright, I got that out. Boy, that sucked. So, it's really tight compared to this one. That's really loose. Loosey goosey. And it comes with a warranty. Alright, let's cut this tag off. Get this thing installed. Alright. Let's get some grease on there first. We've got grease. We've got grease. That'll just help slide it in a little bit better. Voila! Alright, I'll get those bolts back in it. That's right. Remember to put some Loctite on it. There it goes. Alright, so now I just gotta let it on its way. Make sure I go underneath all the proper stuff. And it just gets pushed into place. Voila! ABS is back on. Pretty sure that was both around. I'll get you a better angle. Go to the door. Go to the door. Luke's gonna come. This is CFF. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.